Hello everyone. In today's video, we are going to be taking a look at the best Verizon deals available in 2026, including the top phone discounts, unlimited plans, and promotions that you can get right now. So one of the biggest Verizon promotions in 2026 is getting a flagship phone for $0 per month with eligible plans. For example, you can get the phones like iPhone 17 Pro, Samsung Galaxy S26 Plus, and Google Pixel 10 Pro XL for free when adding a new line or trading in an eligible device. In most cases, the phone cost is covered through the monthly bill credits over a 36-month payment plan, which spreads the savings across your monthly bill. Now, some promotions don't even require a trade-in device. For example, certain Verizon deals allow you to get the devices like Samsung Galaxy S26 Plus or Google Pixel 10a free when you add a new line on a qualifying unlimited plan. Verizon's latest My Plan Unlimited plans are designed to give customers flexible pricing and perks. Popular options that include are Unlimited Welcome, Unlimited Plus, and Unlimited Ultimate. The family plans can drop the price to about $25 per line with 4 lines on the Unlimited Welcome, which is one of the cheapest ways to get the Verizon services. Now, Verizon also offers extra savings when you bundle the services. Verizon also runs additional deals throughout the year, including trade-in credits worth up to $1,000 or more on the flagship phones, discounts on the tablets, smartwatches, and the accessories, certified pre-owned phone deals for the lower prices, and streaming perks like Disney Plus, Apple One, and Netflix bundles depending on the plan. So if this video helped you understand the latest Verizon deals, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.